if 9a minus ab equals 108 and 9 minus b equals 4, what is the value of a? And there's a couple different ways we can do this. But in this one of the first things that you notice is that, I can take this equation and I can solve for b pretty easily. And then we can use that to plug into here and get a. So over here, you could just think about it in your head. And 9 minus what is 4? Well, b equals 5. So now we're going to take that, plug it in here. 9a minus a times 5 would be 5a equals 108. Okay, what's 9a minus 5a? 4a equals 108. Divide by 4, divide by 4, and you get a equals 27. All right, that was pretty easy, right? There is another way that we could have done this. And this way is going to work because a lot of the times on the SAT, their problems like to work out nice and neat. So if you look at this first equation here, looking at this expression, I see that I can pull an a out of there. The a is a factor of both these terms. So let's pull the a out. We have a times the quantity of 9 minus b equals 108. Well, okay. 9 minus b. Well, we already know what that equals. 9 minus b equals 4. So we can just plug 4 in for that. And we get that. And there. It's just a tiny bit easier way of getting to where we got before. But whatever works for you. Two distinct integers, a and b, are divided and the quotient, a over b, is an even integer. Which of the following must be true? Both integers are odd. A is odd, b is even. One of the integers is 2. At least one of the integers is even, or both integers are even. All right, so on these types of problems, we're just going to think of examples and kind of see which one, try to prove each one false, right? And then you'll get the one that's true. So both integers are odd. Well, let's see. 21 over 7 equals 3. Well, that's not right. Because remember, we're trying to get the quotient, which is the answer for division, even. So, well, that's not right. What if A is odd and B is even? And I'll go ahead and write this up here. It's A over B is what we're testing here. So if A is odd and B is even, So 7 over 4. No, that wouldn't be it. One of the integers is 2. Well, it doesn't have to be 2, right? Like, I could do 14 divided by 7. That's an even and an odd also. And let's see, at least one of the integers is even, or both are even. Let's see here. Let's try something else. 24 over 4, that would give us 6. Both are even. What about this? 10 over 5, which that's actually the same thing I did up here, but there's an even and an odd, and that also gives us an even. So, therefore, on this one, you would pick D. At least one of the integers is even. If x plus y equals 6 and 2xy equals 16, then x squared plus y squared equals what? Now see, normally you would look at these and say, oh, well, that's a system of equations. We have two equations there. But since the x and y are different terms on one and they're in the same term on the other, that's going to get messy. So what we're going to do, we're going to go with a hunch. And since we're looking for x squared plus y squared, we're going to go ahead and square this whole first equation and see what we get. So we're going to have x plus y equals 6, and we're just going to square the whole thing. Okay. So x plus y squared would be x squared. How you square a binomial. First term squared, and we'll do the second term squared. And in the middle, you multiply them and then double it. So xy times 2 is 2xy. So we got x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 36. Let's see here. Do we notice anything weird around here? Ooh, 2xy. Well, we know 2xy equals 16. So we can just substitute that in here. X squared plus 16 plus y squared equals 36. We're going to subtract 16. So that leaves us with x squared plus y squared equals, well, 36 minus 16. That would be 20. There you go. And that's it. In the figure above, the four shaded sectors of the circle with center O each have a central angle of 60 degrees. What fraction of the circle is unshaded? So, okay, I did my best at drawing a circle here. It's decent. And we have our four sections here that are shaded in, and each one of these is 60 degrees. Each one of those. Well, a circle is how many degrees? Well, 360. Right? So if each one of these are 60, well, we do 60 times 4. Right? And we would get 240. Well, we'll just do 360 minus 240, and we get 120. But we're not done with it, right? They want to know what fraction of the entire circle. Well, the entire circle is 360. And the unshaded part is 120. 120 over 360, what's that going to reduce to? That is going to reduce to 1 over 3. And there you go. That one wasn't too bad. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And you can click somewhere around here to get many, many more math videos here on Divide by Zero. See you next time.